Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Game Turbo in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and here search for game. As you see, we have option of game mode. So just click here and then enable it. After enable it, we have another option game assistant panel. So turn it on also and then scroll it down. So you guys see we have another option of game management. So just turn or enable all the game. I am enabling Asphalt and that's it. Now go to main menu and then scroll. As you guys see, we have option of X Arena here. So just open this app and then you see we have PUBG and Asphalt game. This is basically a game turbo and here we have all the game mode settings. So this is how we can enable game mode or game turbo in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.